on, guys? It's Broke Built Boys. So yeah, it's been a while. We just wanted to give you guys a little update video on everything going on. So I'm sure, like most of you, with the whole COVID situation going on, it's been hard to get work, and that means lack of money for parts for the cars to work on and everything to produce good content for you guys. So we just figured that we would take a break for right now while things were just getting in motion and get our money back up, get work going again, and then continue our video. But we just wanted to make sure everybody knew that we weren't giving up on YouTube or anything. It's just that due to all this going on, it's hard to make content, it's hard to get money for content. So I'll probably just throw in a couple clips after this to show you guys what we've been up to, just kind of a gist of everything that's been going on. But we'll see you guys real soon. Thank you guys for sticking around, the ones that have, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Yellow, Broke Built Boys, coming with you at the compound. Got the old goddamn Cummins turbo diesel. Got to pull the truck out. Yeah. Got it? Yeah. Go forward and tighten it, and then I'll have you back up. Hold on. Kick up his chocolates. Back up! Hell yeah, brother. We got it.
It needs to be started. Yeah, we need the key. We need the keys in it? We need the pop. Right here when we fuck around. Ain't nobody in Bob ain't supposed to be watching no. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, check Hassan out. He fucked up in the washout. He fucked up.